Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the app open on your profile screen. Tap the three-line menu, then Settings and Privacy, and choose Privacy. This puts you right where TikTok stores blocked accounts. Once done, tap Blocked Accounts to load the list. That is the single source of truth for people you blocked. Make sure you're on your correct account, since blocked lists are per account. If the list appears empty, don't panic. There are quick checks in the next slide to confirm why. You'll see usernames and avatars. Scan for familiar pictures or spelling variations. Tap any entry to open the profile page. You can't interact while blocked, but you can confirm identity. Once you identify someone, note the exact username or take a screenshot. Names change and TikTok allows username swaps. If you need the person's content, tap Unblock to restore access and confirm. If the account isn't listed, make sure the person hasn't renamed, deleted, or been suspended. We'll handle that next. When you're ready, tap Unblock on a profile and confirm. That removes the restriction instantly and lets you view posts and follow again. Once unblocked, you can follow or message, make deliberate choices about privacy settings afterward. If you don't see blocked accounts or a specific user isn't listed, update TikTok, clear cache in settings, or try logging in on the web. Those fixes resolve most visibility bugs. If the person's account was
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.